It's a pleasure cutting the lawn with a Husqvarna rider. If the ground is undulating or has areas that are hard to reach, the rider gives you unbeatable maneuverability and reach. The results are unprecedented, and you don't have to collect the cuttings. You can choose from a number of different models, with different cutting decks and accessories, depending on your needs. All Husqvarna riders are built on the same robust basic design, developed in conjunction with the most demanding professional users. One of the features that puts the rider in a class of its own is its steering. Our patented articulated steering allows the rear wheel to swing in under the machine. This unique steering system means that the machine has a remarkably small turning radius. If you drive in a circle at full steering lock, the uncut area will be only 20 centimeters across. It means that you can easily drive around bushes and follow sharp corners with perfect results. Another advantage of the rider is the front-mounted cutting deck, which gives you several benefits. You get total vision of what you're doing, so that you can maneuver with great precision and reach exactly the areas that require cutting. And because the cutting deck is front-mounted, the grass is cut before the front wheels press it down. The result is a much more even cut. Also, the design of the cutting deck enables you easily to reach under projecting objects, drive very close to edges, and slip through narrow passages. Starting from a rock-solid frame and a low center of gravity, we've developed a comfortable machine that is also a pleasure to drive. Some of our models are equipped with all-wheel drive, which means that there is always drive to both the axles. This means that access is nearly always guaranteed, regardless of the surface. The hydrostatic transmission makes the rider very easy to maneuver. The machine speed is regulated continuously with the separate foot pedals, forward and reverse. To enable the rider to follow the ground well and run smoothly, it has a pivoting rear axle. Since the wheels are large and of equal size, you get a smooth, high-precision ride and greater comfort. All the controls are well grouped. The controls for raising and lowering the cutting deck and for adjusting the cutting height are easy to reach from the driver's seat. The engine is placed behind the driver, reducing the amount of engine noise that the driver is exposed to. This also prevents having to drive through the exhaust fumes. Nearly all of our riders are equipped with a Combi Deck. You have the option of making an easy switch from bioclip to rear ejection. With bioclip, after the grass is cut, it is thrown up into the cutting deck, and then it falls down through the blades and is cut a second time. This way, the grass cuttings are chopped more finely and can return to the lawn in the form of fertilizer. Rear ejection allows the cut grass to pass through the cutting deck more quickly, so you can cut tall grass more effectively. Using the same principle, a bioclip cutting deck can also mulch leaves. That is, it turns the remains of the leaves into fertilizer, so you don't have to collect them. We have also developed a series of accessories to help you make the maximum use of your Husqvarna rider. For example, you can quickly and efficiently sweep away sand, gravel, and leaves with our light, durable brush. You can even clear away a light covering of snow. To clear deeper snow, fit your rider with a snow blade. With a rider from Husqvarna, you have an unbeatable workmate, which will help you keep your lawn in good shape. And you get the pleasure of using the machine regardless of the season. It's a versatile and powerful workhorse for a wide range of tasks. Finally,